Why do you hang around with fucking losers? Nobody's funny. So you being entertained with his shit jokes is worth you sacrificing your fucking...
What is up, you guys? Today we're gonna make some Pico De Gallo. My chicken's been tasting kind of bland, and we're gonna make some Pico De Gallo to spice some shit up and get big on these bitches. Come on, you guys, lock in chat. First of all, you're gonna need a cutting board, 2 tomatoes, 1 white onion, and this is kind of like berries if you really like cilantro. Doesn't really matter, it's just your preference, you guys. Add cilantro. Oh no! Oh, wait. And 1 jalapeno, you guys. Get your goofy ass knife. Be very careful, you guys. Don't forget to wash your guys' vegetables. We're not dirty bodybuilders. Get your onion, start cutting that motherfucker up. I'm sure there's a better way of cutting cuz. I ain't gonna lie, you guys. This is my first time doing it, but it looks pretty self-explanatory, you guys. Little small pieces of cubes. You don't want a big ass tomato in your damn. Ew, what is that? Oh god, this is gonna help with those taste buds, you guys. Sometimes eating that chicken and rice it tastes like shit, and you don't want to eat that. Oh my god, bro, what is that? You guys see that? Oh my. That is like, what the fuck? Ugh, fuck. I didn't like the way that looked, you guys. We gotta keep going. There you go. Now you have your tomato cut up. Cut it up into smaller pieces, you guys. There you go, just like that, you guys. I heard if you cut both edges off, that's what makes you cry and shit. One day you're gonna have to cook out for your girl's family. You can't cook. She's not gonna love you. She doesn't love you. You're gonna get that John letter. Or Jody boy gonna come walking to her door. You know what I'm talking about. Just leave a comment, you guys, if you know what I'm talking about. Jody boy gonna start coming to her. Cut the jalapeno, cut the end off. Cut this boy in half. Be careful. My mom just started trusting me with knife. Look, if you guys wanted to be spicy, make sure you guys leave all this stuff in there. All the seeds and the little white part, which is called the membrane, you guys. But I don't want it to be too spicy. Wash your hands good, you guys, because you gonna burn. You gonna feel it, trust me. I've been seeing other people try to make this and they take too long to explain it. If your father-in-law ever tells you, you know how to cook, son? Just know you already watched my videos and know how to cook all that shit, you guys. Chicken, rice, Pico De Gallo. And we're gonna make all this other kind of food, you guys. We're not gonna be a specific, like a food main channel, but I don't want you guys getting bitched out by your guys' father-in-law that you don't know how to make food. I got you guys. There you guys go. Look at that. Now we're gonna cut a little bit of cilantro. I don't like this a lot, so I'm gonna cut a little bit. Wait, I think I was supposed to wash this. You guys, please wash your vegetables and your cilantro because I forgot to do that and I'll probably just kill my entire family, you guys. Let me know in the comments below. I think I just fucked up. I'm learning just like you guys. That's too much tomato. We're gonna save some of this, okay, you guys? You wanna start mixing this. Look at that, you guys. Oh yeah, also you guys, add salt and pepper too for more flavor. You guys, we don't got pepper. A little palm of salt, you guys. Get big for me, bitch. Babe, I'm making Pico De Gallo and it don't taste right.
Why?
It tastes bland. I don't know why.
You put a bun inside it?
Oh, I didn't add lime. Oh, lime. Thank you, baby. Say hi to the camera. I love you.
Love you too.
Not cheating on me, right?
Motherfucker, I'm just sleeping.
You guys, we forgot the lime. Get your guys yourself a lime too. There you guys go. I knew something was missing, you guys. I knew something was missing. You're gonna add the other one too. Shout out to my girlfriend, bro. Shout out to her. Massage a little bit, you guys. And look at that, you guys. Now I feel like it's ready. Looking good, you guys. Let's try it again. Oh, fuck, that's spicy. My dad said I was never gonna be able to cook. Goofy. Look at that, you guys. First time as well. Yeah, I had a little bit too much tomato, but look at that. It tastes good. We're gonna give it a little taste test once I start making my chicken and rice. Hopefully you guys followed my steps as well, but this looks good. Damn, that was spicy. So yeah, watch out with the seeds, you guys. Damn, that was spicy as hell. I've been seeing all these videos and stuff, and they just make it overcomplicated. It shouldn't be too complicated just to make this. It takes like, what, five ingredients? They just overcomplicated making to a 20-minute video. Like, come on, bro. Lock in, dude. Mom, wake up. Try this. My girl's gonna love me, bro. Ooh, bro, I'm gonna get some. Now she can say she got a man that can cook. Boy, look at that, you guys. That was my play. It was really good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Love you guys. Take care.